Article 98 of the Family Code states that neither spouse may donate any community property without the consent of the other. However, either spouse may, without the consent of the other, make moderate donations from the community property for charity or on occasion of family rejoicing or family distress. In the principle of shared ownership, the Family Code of the Philippines establishes the absolute community of property regime as the default property regime for married couples. So this means that both spouses are considered co-owners of all property acquired during the marriage, including the assets brought into the marriage. And now the Article 98 reflects the principle of shared ownership and the need for mutual consent when disposing of community property. Article 98 General Rule states that neither spouse may donate any community property without the consent of the other. So this rule aims to protect the interests of both spouses and prevent one spouse from unilaterally disposing of the community property, potentially affecting the other spouse's share. And consent can be expressed explicitly or implied through action or conduct. And Article 98 provides exception to the general rule, allowing for moderate donation from community property without the consent of the other spouse. So these exceptions are limited to donation for charity. This refers to donation made to charitable organization or for charitable purposes. Family rejoicing. This includes donation made on occasions of family celebration such as weddings, birthdays, or anniversaries. Family distress. This covers donation made in times of family hardship or emergencies such as illness, natural disasters, or financial difficulties. In determining moderation, the concept of moderate is not defined explicitly in the law. So the determination of whether a donation is moderate depends on the financial situation of the spouses and the overall value of the community property. And moderate meaning they should not significantly deplete the community property. And courts have held that occasional gift of trifling value can be considered moderate. Implication and consideration. And Article 98 is about fairness. It makes sure both partners in a marriage have say in what happens to their shared money and things. But it also flexible. It allows partners to give money away to good causes or for special family events, such as long as it's not too much. And importantly, they need to talk each other. If one partners want to give away a lot of money, they should talk to the partner first and agree on it. And if there's a problem, if partners disagree, they can ask a judge to decide if the giving away of money was fair and reasonable. Thank you.